Alright, here we are in the Sales Video Creator desktop software. The first thing you'll notice is how easy and well laid out Sales Video Creator is. We'll start by creating a new project. Then we will choose background and text color and click Next. Then we'll paste some text and click Next, then Next again. Now we will add an image for the first slide, resize and reposition it, and choose Next Slide. Here we will add a background image, like that. Then change the text color to white and select the next slide. We'll add another image here also, resize and reposition it, then hit Next. Here we will import a new voiceover audio, then play the audio and mark where the slides end. You'll be able to create videos with ease in multiple different styles. Just one 5-minute video would take you minutes to make. Good. Now let's publish the video and see what we've got. With Sales Video Creator, you'll be able to create videos with ease in multiple different styles. Just one 5-minute video would take you minutes to make. That looks perfect.